Just a beautiful morning. My bird's been up for a while. Looks like they're gonna come down soon. I think there's 11 up there. There's 9 lasers and 2 danishes. I think there's 11 up there, something like that. I'm not counting them. I'm just enjoying them. Quiet, beautiful morning out, brisk. It's not really hot yet. I got 4 babies up there from this year. They're not babies no more. And they keep up for hours up there. They're not babies no more. They're maturing. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. It's Sunday. It's God's day. Let us all give thanks to the little bit of blessings that we all have. Some of us may not have much like me, but you know what? I'm humble. And I'm happy. This is my livelihood. Being out here with my birds, nobody bothering me, just letting me be. Not like this guy over here called the city on me. For no reason. Not like he gotta clean or feed these birds. You know? Just haters, man. I moved here just so I can have my birds. In the first month I'm here, the neighbor calls the city on me. Thank God the other neighbor over there where I have my birds at, she's like, hell with him, put him over on this side. So you see that fence back there? I built that so nobody could see back there. The one against the wall is the same as the house. That little piece of fence there. That was my salvation. Out of sight, out of mind. I haven't heard not a beep out of him about the birds yet. Or the city again. Just enjoying. These things will stay for hours flying low like this, so I may get tired of holding this camera out. See what I mean? They're gonna come down and then they pull the move. Well, boys and girls, look like my arms are tired. We'll be talking soon. God bless you all.